From delicate art pieces to high-performance components in aerospace, 3D printing ceramics is revolutionizing how we shape this ancient material for modern needs. But how does it work? It all starts with powdered ceramic materials. These powders are combined with binders, forming the building blocks of ceramic 3D printing. There are a few key methods for 3D printing ceramics. Binder jetting uses a liquid binder to fuse layers of powder. SLA, or stereolithography, relies on UV light to solidify a ceramic-filled resin. And material extrusion works by depositing ceramic paste layer by layer. Layer by layer, the 3D printer shapes the ceramic into intricate designs impossible with traditional techniques. But the magic doesn't stop there. The printed object is sintered, heated at high temperatures to remove binders and fuse the ceramic particles, giving it strength and durability. The results? Stunning pieces with precision and properties ideal for industries like aerospace, healthcare, and art. 3D printing ceramics is shaping the future of manufacturing, one layer at a time. Stay tuned as this technology continues to push boundaries. Subscribe for more innovations in 3D printing and materials science.